Siargao Town Center. Just a step away from their home. Kaya, bakit lang kami? And guess what, guys? May pure gold na sila dito. So, they also have handyman in here. And right now, yung plan talaga namin ng pinsan ko is pupunta sa newly opened bench store here in Siargao, Dapa. Ito yung sa loob ng town center. So, we have Andox, National Bookstore, Bench, Mercury Drug, Handyman, and Pure Gold. Pupunta kami ng second floor. So, dito kami sa second floor with my cousin, my beautiful cousin. Diba? And then, tapat lang yung ano nga yan, Day? Yan.
Siargao Island Convention.
Wow!
Sports complex.
Sports complex, yun.
Ito naman yung high school.
Charot.
We're coming.
Thank you po.